Good morning, YouTube. Today is August 26th, Saturday, and I am starting my birthday vlog today. I'm recreating a childhood photo, and this is the photo I'm recreating. So cute! Also, today's the last day I could take this picture because I am getting my hair done tonight, and I also have to leave soon because then I have to go to the bakery and make sure I order my cake for my party next Saturday. Sure, I'll check back in when I'm all dressed up and everything with my red and white short, well, red shirt, white shorts. But hey y'all, so this is it. I am dressed up. I got my curly hair. It's still a little damp, but we're gonna work with it, and I gotta hurry up and try to get this picture done and head out. Hi, whoa. Hi YouTube, what's up y'all? Okay, so I'm gonna make this quick because I got less than an hour to be ready to head out. Today is my birthday. I am feeling a little under the weather, unfortunately, but we are pushing through because we're gonna celebrate and we still have things to do. Yeah, I'm having a little bit of like brain fog because I'm exhausted. Brought in my birthday at midnight last night and I went a little too hard. So today I have to like get it together. But I did want to, oh yeah, by the way, you guys, I'm always wearing like the same pajamas. Like, I'm aware of that, but I literally like to stick to like what's comfortable, and usually like I don't wear pajamas to sleep anyways. So like I just wanted to just talk about that real quick. But I'm about to get my makeup done, and then we're gonna have a full day full of a lot of fun things. So I'm excited. Yeah. Okay, you guys, I am ready. I have my 30 earrings. I have this beautiful outfit that you guys will see, of course, pictures of on my Instagram and everything. But I don't have much time to talk to you guys. I will take you guys along with me. Actually, I could take the camera with me since I'm not having much in my bag.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Gratitude is a must. Yeah. I gotta make sure my cab not coming or I'm not getting hit by a car.
Welcome to Live Rage. Are you ready to break some shit? Is that a hit or a touch? Hit it harder. Is that really how you throw? Let's see if you can have any anger. No, that was one of the worst throws I've seen today, and I've been going to this for hours. There you go. Give me a couple more. Oh, and it bounced up even though you barely tapped it. Come on, hit it hard. Put your back into it. Wow, between the two of you, I don't know who hits softer. Come on, give me some. Nice. Also, just as a special thing, happy birthday. Thank you so much for spending your birthday here at Live Rage. I hope you let a little rage out.
Hey YouTube. So today I am about to get ready. I'm a little bit under the weather. I have been for the past, like since my birthday, I think it was a lot. So I'm a bit under the weather, but I'm feeling so much better. So I'm about to get ready for my little 90s party. It's gonna be a blast. I cannot wait. I'm not even gonna speak too much. I'm just gonna come back to you guys when I am ready. Ready to see me turn into a 90s baddie. Here I am, you guys. So you guys are gonna get better looks at my outfit probably later on, but for now I'm about to head out, and this is my look, and I'll see y'all there.
See money all around me, I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down out like last week. Tell me, where have you been?